Does your smartphone take forever to charge? Slow charging can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through simple and effective steps to fix slow charging issues on your smartphone. Step 1. Inspect your charging cable. Damaged or frayed cables are a common culprit for slow charging. Replace your cable if you notice any wear and tear. Step 2. Clean your charging port. Dust or debris can block proper contact between the charger and your device. Use a soft brush or a toothpick to clean it carefully. Step 3. Always use certified chargers and adapters. Using low-quality or incompatible chargers can lead to slower charging speeds or even damage your battery. Step 4. Check for apps running in the background. These apps can consume power, making your phone charge slower. Close unnecessary apps and switch to airplane mode for faster charging. Step 5. Update your phone software. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs, including charging issues. If you've tried everything and the problem persists, your battery might be worn out. Consider replacing it to restore optimal charging performance, and that's it. With these tips, your phone should charge faster. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.